But we've put together a massive recommendation. Look, for any society that progresses, right, there are two things: government and community partnership. If you want education to succeed in this country, right, you have got to partner with the community. And part of what we recommended was that we're going to have what you call the school governing board, a governing board for all public schools, right, made up of parents of kids in that school. And this governing board will be empowered to some extent that, you know, they can make recommendations for the school and also hold the local government or state government or federal government responsible for funding, right? Because if you do not have community participation, then it's going to collapse. That community part, and that's the model, right? The Western world. If you go to public schools in the US, in Canada, in Europe, you have, each school have a governing board. So there's got to be a governing board that will also help drive these policies.